Hello everyone and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox video, and actually welcome to update 27.1, the Clouds in Motion update. So I didn't even know this had dropped. I literally just booted up the game today to film something else, and then I saw this, so I thought obviously I need to do my normal update video for this. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this. So yeah, the Clouds in Motion update. So as we can see, simulated cloud speed. This seems pretty awesome. Easier appearance editing. As part of our continued user interface improvements, the properties appearance has been redesigned to combine color customization with visibility and other options to make changing the appearance of an object even easier. Looking interesting. More highlights. Optimized surface simulation calculations, making large simulations perform much better. That's definitely a big thumbs up for me. If that actually makes our giant simulations work better, because sometimes they do get really slow. So yeah, that's really cool. Created simulation of NASA's Juno spacecraft flyby of Ganymede. Oh yes, I saw the images of that actually. That was pretty cool. Added atmosphere density and speed of sound properties. Atmosphere density, okay. Rim lighting can now be adjusted under view object visibility rim lighting, okay. And also, I've just got up the patch notes just on Google here as well. So I've just seen an image of the appearance tab, actually. That does look really, really cool. So we'll be checking that out in a minute. And there's also some other stuff. So star glows now correctly fade as you get further away from them when object visibility is set to realistic. Okay. So that seems pretty cool. So we'll have to zoom out from a star. Okay, so the rim lighting. I want to know what that's all about. So view object visibility rim lighting. Okay. Atmosphere density is also added to the options there. Right, so mostly that, and then the rest of it's all just bug fixes. Also, if you want to have a just a general look for it, make sure to just check out the Steam page, and you can view like the full update notes on Google Drive and stuff. So yeah, without further ado, let's do this. So apparently rim lighting is a visual glow around the perimeter of an object. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and just close that. And there was also a new simulation for us to check out as well, so we'll check that out briefly. So I want to see what this rim lighting is, and I already saw the clouds were moving there. Look at that. Let's just do that again. Look at the clouds. Look at that. Look how cool that is. Wow. So obviously if you slow down time, the clouds slow down. And obviously if you speed up time, the clouds speed up. So yeah, that is awesome. Look at that. Oh, that looks so fresh. That does look so fresh. Okay, so let's just see what this rim lighting is all about then. So it was on view. And then it was object visibility, realistic. So I'm not exactly sure where the rim lighting thing was. Hang on, just bear with me. Let me just get the notes up. So rim lighting, a visual glow around the object. View settings, object visibility. Okay, so view. So it's up here. Somewhere here, lighting. Not sure whereabouts it is. I don't know if I'm being really silly. Rim lighting. Object visibility realistic? Oh, okay. I think that's what it is there. I want to say it's this always. I'm guessing it's something like that. I'm not entirely sure. So. Oh, no, we don't want to do that. No, realistic. So I think that's with the rim lighting turned off. And then I think when you put it on always, I think that's when you turn the rim lighting on. So personally, I would go with the realistic option. So I would do that. I think that's the way the game used to look, and they added the rim lighting quite a while back. And then, yeah, it looks like we can now turn it off again. So I think I'll keep it switched off and keep things the way it was. So, yeah, I like that. So I'll keep it like that. So I believe that's what that is. If I'm wrong, please correct me in the comments. So yeah, that's the rim lighting. Okay, so next up, let's check out this cloud thing. So it's on guides. It should be under science, and then it should be clouds. So this simulation here. So this is new. So let's see what the clouds are all about. Okay, so clouds are an incredibly complex phenomenon, even for climate scientists to simulate with supercomputers, let alone a Universe Sandbox on your personal device. Oh yes. Despite this complexity, we've been taking steps to make our cloud simulation more interesting. Next, let's see how Universe Sandbox does it. Okay. Right, okay, so we're going to Earth. Oh, it's doing it for us. Right, the Earth is spinning too quickly to see the clouds. Turn on surface lock to get a better view. Oh, okay. I forgot this button existed. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Okay, so surface lock gives us a clear view of the Earth's surface and clouds, even though the planet is rotating rapidly in space. I mean, that's, we're going pretty speedy. So let's go to the next. Select Earth. Okay, normal drill of opening it up. Appearance. Oh, we can see the new appearance menu. Look at the new appearance menu. Look how fresh that looks. I like that. Right, cloud properties. Ooh, fluffy. Oh my god, okay. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, I didn't know this was all... Okay. An object's clouds can be displayed. Each map can be so fluffy, thick. Oh, no way. Oh, that is cool. People have been asking for this for so long. And now we've got custom clouds. Look at that. Oh, that is awesome. Look at that all going on up there. Oh, I want to play more. Oh, it's not letting us. Wait, so a cloud's map rotational period represents the time it takes for clouds to rotate all the way around the Earth once, okay? So we can speed that up, I'm guessing. The rotational period is negative because the clouds are moving in the opposite direction from the Earth's rotation, right? Reverse the cloud or remote. Okay, so doing +1 month. So just 1. Oh, wow. Okay, so the clouds are now going the same way. The speed of the equator shows the surface clouds are moving relative to the surface at Earth's equator. Okay, increase the cloud speed at the equator to 50. Right. Whoa, okay. Okay, so that's pretty cool. The cloud speed can be also simulated based on Earth's properties. Change cloud speed back to simulated. So that just puts it back to normal, doesn't it? Okay. One property that affects simulated cloud speed is the difference between maximum and minimum temperature on the Earth's surface. A larger temperature difference creates a larger air pressure difference, and the pressure difference creates stronger winds that make the clouds rotate faster. Oh, wowee. Okay. Oh, this is really complex. I'm liking this. We can see the effect of the temperature difference on the cloud speed by heating the surface with a laser. Oh, okay. Right. I can just open the lasers here. Oh, it won't let me use my... No. Was it... Okay, so we have to do it this way. Okay. Right, so... Tools, laser, aim and fire the laser. Oh, God. Oh, man, right. So I'm guessing it slows down after a while. But if we do that again, it speeds it up. Oh, man. Oh, right. Okay. The clouds move much faster as we heat the Earth's surface. As the Earth cools, the cloud slows down again. Oh, yeah. What will happen to cloud speed if we make the Earth spin more slowly? Okay, so let's see how things work here. So, increase the rotational speed to 2 days. So let's go to, that'll be 48 hours. The clouds sped up even though we made the Earth spin more slowly. This is the opposite of what, might have expected. Why does this happen? Okay, open up. This allows pressure difference between the equator and the poles to increase the wind speed before the Coriolis force can direct it towards the east and west, which result in faster moving bands of cloud. Oh, yes. We hope you've enjoyed learning about how we simulate clouds. Okay, useful stuff. So if you want to have a go at it for yourself, guys, obviously it's just in the tutorials, guides here, and then just go to science and then clouds. Okay, so finish. Okay, so let's go to just a fresh simulation. I just want to go to, I'll just go to just a fresh similar system. So let's let the game do its thing. Come on, you're going to open? So we're in update 27.1.1 now, actually. So, okay, cool. Where am I going? I want to go to just all solar system, please. Thank you. Right. Now, we saw there was loads of different clouds. So I want to see what that is all about. So let's slow things down on the Earth. There you go. Let's just check my graphics are on high. I think they should be. Where are we? Graphics. Yeah, we're on high. Okay, cool. Right, so I want to just have a go. So we saw there was other options. Clouds. Open this. So we had all these. Okay, so this is not fluffy, which is the clouds we've had for since the beginning of time. So we have thick. That's looking cool. Storm. Oh, yes. So where was the storm? There was a big chunk. Yeah, look at that. Oh, look at that. It's awesome. Storm. Wispy. So what's wispy like? Okay. So another difference again. Oh, this is so cool. There's different presets now. Turbulent. Oh, that is so cool. So turbulent. Sparse. Okay, so if you want less clouds. Something like that. Okay. Thin. Okay, so there's hardly anything there. And then lastly, we have streaks. Hey, that's cool. That is really, really cool. So I think thick is probably the coolest one, just because in theory the Earth has a lot more clouds than it does in the game. So in theory, if you want to make a realistic Earth, this is probably what you would want to go with, is a thick. So maybe I have to make a custom Earth just out of this, using the thick clouds. I think that'd be quite cool. So thick, so there's the clouds. And obviously we can really mess around with these. So obviously we could slow them down. We could speed them up. So look, oh yeah, they're going the other, look at that. Oh man. So that looks awesome. Okay, so there's map 1, and then there's also map 2. So what happens if we do this to thick? So you can see some clouds are rotating. There's other ones underneath that are rotating with the planet. So thick, wispy. It'd be cool if you could change the colours of these, like, together. So also you could go double thick and make it look at, oh yeah, look at that. So now if we, for instance, if we go to colour. Oh yeah, look at that. So we have super white clouds, you can have blue clouds. Oh my god, that looks crazy. Oh man, wowee. That does look pretty cool. Okay, so yeah, while we're looking at the clouds as well, so we can also see vegetation is now back. We've got all of the normal settings, but they look a whole lot prettier. So we could just really make this look mental, just straight up. Red ice, or red snow, sorry. We can have yellow ice. Just make it completely look funky. Vegetation will just enhance the green. So you can see underneath the green areas. Vegetation. City lights, obviously, you can still change those like before. So there you go. City lights, so you can have those in any colour you want, obviously, as well. So greens, yellows, will go light blue, or like a turquoise. There you go, looking cool. And then obviously we have clouds, like we already checked out there. Oh man. And then I'll see the good old atmosphere, so pink atmosphere. What do you think of that? So that is cool. There's so many remember when the game you couldn't customize anything? Solid surface. What does that do? What does that mean? Solid surface. Can I turn the clouds off? How do I turn the clouds off? Where's the where's the where's the options where I turn show atmosphere on and off? How do I do that? I don't know where it is. They've moved it around. Is it on here? Oh god, where's the options to disable the clouds? How do I help? So clouds can I default, obviously that put it back to normal. But how do I turn the view mode off? Oh god, no, I don't want to do that. Properties, no, so there's no way to hide the clouds anymore. I think I have to ask the Discord about that, because honestly I don't know. So I'm guessing the solid surface custom or default, I think this just means the custom surface colours. Yeah, it just changes. Okay, so this is just stuff we already had before. So yeah, so that just changes the surface colours. Okay, cool. That's just what I wanted to know. And also you can change the contrast like you could before. So that's interesting. So we can't hide the atmosphere anymore. So I want to know, like, there must be a way to do it, and I'm just being blind. I mean, how do you disable the clouds and the atmosphere? There was always a button to do that. I don't think after playing this for like 5 years I'd suddenly forget where it was. So yeah, where's the option to hide the cloud? I don't know if I'm being completely dumb or blind, but I cannot see the option to disable the clouds. Oh, I think I've just clocked it. You press this now. Yeah, so I didn't notice that without having to really look. So you disable it like that. You guys are probably screaming at me looking in the video and just seeing this. So if you want to disable stuff, you can just do that now. That's a lot easier than having to scroll down and do it. I quite like that. Just being able to do that. That's quite cool. I rate that. I think that's pretty cool. So see if we want to have the atmosphere and clouds hidden, that's what you get underneath. So yeah, I think that's really cool. So very nice cleanup of the customization appearance interface. I'm liking it. I think that looks good. So yeah, big thumbs up there. I quite like that. I think that does look. Yeah, thumbs up. I like that. I think that's really, really cool. So, yeah, moving on. So, the rest of the updates. So, we also had that new Juno spacecraft simulation. So, we're definitely going to check that out in a minute. So, yeah, we checked out the atmosphere in the clouds. Okay, so let's see what the stars stuff's all about. So, the more you zoom away from a star, the more it dims. So, star glows correctly fade as you get further away from them. Object visibility, when object visibility is set to realistic. Okay. Added atmosphere density to sound properties. Okay, so yeah, what is the atmosphere and density and the speed of sound properties all about? What? See, I'm not exactly sure what all that does. So, properties, surface, atmosphere. So, surface, atmosphere. Okay, so where are we? So, atmosphere density. So, what exactly does this do? I can see it was changing something in the north there. So, this is. Oh, okay, so it changes the surface pressure. Okay, and it just affects all this. So. Okay, so if I put all that back on, so what does it look like when I change this? Does it thicken it or something? So that just makes it crazy numbers. So that doesn't really do anything other. So it makes the ATM look crazier. Okay. So that's the density just changes the other two stats up there. So what is the speed of sound? I want to know what exactly does that do? Added atmosphere density and speed of sound properties to properties surface atmosphere. So where is this atmosphere? Okay, so speed. Oh, okay. So it's there. So that obviously changes with the density and stuff, and that obviously alters the speed of sound. Okay, cool. I think that's the way I understand it anyway. So, okay, so there's all of that. Okay, so yeah, we'll check that out. Okay, so right now, so where are we? So we want to go to the sun itself. So let's see how the sun dims as we zoom out now. So we'll just put the orbits on so we can see where everything is. So okay, so I think we'll have to just remove the asteroid, and then we'll have to turn the orbits off just so we can see where everything is. Okay, so we've got the sun in the middle, obviously. Zoom out, so obviously you can see all the planets around it. So if we keep zooming out, so that's the sun, and it just fades away. Right. Oh, so I wonder how far away we actually are from the sun at the moment for it to actually zoom out this far. So how long does the sun's brightness go before it just fades? So let's see roughly how far out we are at the moment. So, oh no, we can just open the sun's menu and have a look in there actually. So what are we doing? Yep. So where's the distance to you? So 243 light years is roughly where the sun fades out. 500 light years, a little further. So you can barely see the glow of the sun is almost completely non-existent. So even a bit further. So 0.0. Okay, so light years. So about 1,826 light years. The sun's glow is pretty much no more in this game. So yeah, pretty cool. Right. So next up, let's see the new simulation with Juno. Okay, so Juno flyby of Ganymede in 2021. So yeah, if you didn't see this, Juno flew by Ganymede recently, and it got some updated pictures for the first time in about 20 years, I believe it was. So yeah, pretty cool. Right, so Juno spacecraft, Juno flyby of Ganymede. So there it goes. Hey. Right, so, where are we? So you can see it's also got this pretty crazy orbit going on at the moment. So the Juno spacecraft was launched on August the 5th, 2011 to study the planet Jupiter. The probe has reached Jupiter on July the 5th, 2016 and has now taken measurements of Jupiter's atmosphere, gravity and magnetic field. Nearly 5 years later, on June the 7th, 2021, Juno performed a flyby of Jupiter's moon Ganymede, coming within 1,038 kilometers and taking stunning new images of the moon's surface. Also, if you want to check those out, just give it a Google and you'll probably see it. So there's Juno. So let's actually reopen it again and watch it in slow motion as it does its flyby. So Juno, hello. Right, what's up, man? Right, so let's close this. So there it is, Juno. Turn that all off. So Ganymede is there. There's Jupiter, sorry. Where's Ganymede? Ganymede? Labels on. Because Ganymede's there. Obviously, we can't see it too hot at the moment because we're behind it. So this is happening at a few hours as well. So let's approach Ganymede from the perspective of Juno. So there it is, you can see it. So we're getting closer. Oh, that is going really fast. Remember how fast this guy's going. So what if we do it in real time? If we go to 1 second, how would that look? 1 second. Play. Yeah, I'll see that's going to take quite a while. We're traveling at the speed of real time here. So it's taking its time. So let's go up to 2 seconds. 3, 16. Okay, so we're now traveling at... let's go back 2 minutes. So we're traveling at 4.27 minutes. So we're going to get a closest approach from Juno. So we're getting closer to Ganymede. So obviously we're behind Ganymede. So the time it took the photo obviously would have been once it gets in front of it. So here we go. Look how close we're getting to Ganymede here. So let's just... Oh, yeah, look at that. Heck yeah. Slow down. So 0.5 minutes. So we're back in seconds here. So 37 seconds. So look how fast Juno's flying past it. Oh, that's awesome. So there it is. So it flies past Ganymede, gets its updated pictures, and then flies past. Look at that. That went really close to Ganymede. Look at that. Hey. So yeah, 30 seconds. So it's, yeah, it flew it by really quickly. So there you go. So all I got is updated pictures of Ganymede like that. And obviously would have flown off and left the moon be. So obviously leaving Ganymede and then returning to Jupiter itself, getting closer on its flybys. So bye-bye Ganymede. There you go. To speed things up, watch as Ganymede fades off. And obviously we approach Jupiter once more. Where's Jupiter gone? Come on, it's a big planet. It can't just vanish. Where's it gone? It's a planet. Where'd it go? It can't just vanish. Okay, so we flew... Ah, we're underneath it. Okay. There it is. So yeah, now we're flying underneath Jupiter. So there we go. So see, it did its flyby Jupiter again, so now it's heading back out again. Cool. Hey, I'm liking it. That's cool. So zooming out. Yeah, cool. Right, so yeah, there we go. That is the flyby of Juno on Ganymede. Obviously that happened recently. So yeah, there we go. That is the main highlights of this update, guys. So if there's anything I missed, let me know down below in the comments. But I believe that is all of the main highlights, like I said. So yeah, I think that's everything. But yeah, lastly, I think we'll have another quick go at the cloud customization. I think we'll go for a fresh new object. I'll just go something completely random here. So what should we build? I'll just go over random planet and just put some crazy specs on it. So, random planet. Thank you. It's a random rocky. Okay, there you go. Okay, so 21 degrees. Okay, so let's just give it an atmosphere to start off with. So, we'll just go with 1 ATM. Nice and simple. So, that gives it an atmosphere. So, I wonder if the cloud generation is random on random objects as well. That'd be quite cool. So, here it is. Okay, so what are we thinking? Maybe a volcanic sort of world or something like that. So, we want to open the surface colours. So, if I just black it out, so make it look quite volcanic and stuff. So how would I make this? So red atmosphere. I mean, that does look pretty menacing, but I don't know. Maybe a bit of a volcanic theme going on. City lights are there. Can we make them a little brighter? I wish there was like a brightness option. That would be nice. Because they are quite dim. So white, just put white lights on it. Why not? So it does look pretty menacing here. So snow, none of that is here. Clouds. Oh, the red clouds. Look at that. So wispy. See, it looks like the clouds generate randomly. So fluffy's the normal clouds we've known for a long time. I like the thick. I really like the thick ones. I think they really add more customization. But yeah, there's loads of different types. I mean, they've got the storm ones, remember? The storm ones look really awesome. So maybe we could do double storm. So 2 sets of storms. They're very, very stormy. Oh, I do like that. That is honestly, this has got to be one of the coolest customization updates in quite a while. So there's the storms. Yeah, that's cool. So we made a pretty vicious looking world here. Hopefully, the object competitions, we can do it in this update, because I think that'll be pretty cool. So yeah, there we go. So there's that. And then yeah, city lights, snow and ice. There's no water here. But yeah, I think that's just a nice little build, just showing off the clouds there. I mean, yeah, they look menacing in the red. So clouds, also you can have them in any colour. Green clouds look pretty cool. Yeah, this will be great for building custom objects. I mean, look at all the storms going on. Look at all that. Oh, it does look awesome. Clouds, again, goes through all the colours. Blue does look really cool as well. And then into the pinks and then the reds again. So yeah, that is really, really like that. So that cloud customization, yeah, I think that's definitely my favourite part of this update. But with that all said and done, guys, hopefully you all enjoyed today's video of checking out update 27, or 27.1 now actually, or 0.1.1. So yeah, hopefully you all enjoyed that. And yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinions down below on this update. And yeah, with that all said and done, guys, let's see if we can go for 50 likes on today's video for this update, guys. And yeah, stay tuned for more cool content I'll be making with these new clouds especially. I mean, that's going to be really, really cool for making custom systems and stuff. So yeah, stay tuned for all of that. And also subscribe for more. Help us on the journey to 22,000 subscribers as well. And stay tuned for the 20,000 subscriber special, as I should be getting that sorted out soon. It may have already happened by the time this video drops, actually, because I'm filming this in advance, so yeah, who knows. But yeah, with that all said and done, guys, massive thank you again. Make sure you all have a great day. Stay safe out there, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.